Alright guys, market's about to open. We're gonna go over what I see and what I plan on doing today. So 4 hour. The 4 hour right now is kind of chop work. We were in an uptrend. We did sweep out these hourly or 4 hour highs, and on the 1 hour, I'd like to see an hourly sweep. I think we could at least come sweep out this high, potentially this high to move lower. I think I would ideally want to see price or look for shorts today. We have this news candle. You can see we wicked up, came down. I wonder if price will go push up, sweep out that, and then move lower. To then maybe take out these lows down here. But yeah, I'm not entirely sure. We're gonna wait, give time, give price some time to marinate before we end up hitting buy or sell. So I'll check in with you guys once something starts to pique my interest. All right, so we broke structure to the downside on the 1 minute. If we look here on the 15 minute, we got SMT. Look, ES, we make a high. Now we have a lower high. On NQ, we have a high and then a higher high. So ideally, I would want to look for the shorts. I think we had this 1 minute for value gap that I wanted to see get tapped. This was going to be my TP, but we didn't get it on NQ. We did tap into it. However, I would want to see ES tap into here first. So yeah, don't know if we'll end up trading because I think that was our move. Guys, I think we're setting up for some nice longs. If we tap into this fair value gap, I am going to take this. We came down, swept out. These are these 15-minute lows that we had. Came down, swept them out. Just broke structure to the upside on the 1 minute. Waiting to see if we can tap into this. And then there we go. I'm taking that. We have stops below the candle that formed the gap. Got a TP up there. Yeah, so basically I did want to look for the shorts. We never came up and swept out these highs. We come down, take out 15-minute lows. We break structure to the upside on the 1 minute, tap to this fair value gap, and now we're rocking to the upside. So we'll see what happens here. I'll check in with you guys once something happens. At that 1 minute fair value gap that we were gonna short off earlier. So stops are now at break even. Risk is off the table. Actually, I'm gonna move it up just a little bit here. Yeah, so break even trade now, risk free. So I guess now we'll just write it out. Our first TP will be this, and then we'll see if price can get up to there. So yeah, guys, I think if we end up we're just chopping here right now, kind of just respecting this fair value gap. If we end up breaking 1 minute structure to the downside, I'm going to end up in close just one of my contracts just to secure some profits. because ideally, I'd want to see us break through this and push higher. But if we end up respecting this and breaking structure, um, it does lead me to believe that I'd probably get stopped at break even. So we're just waiting here to see if we actually end up closing below this 1 minute low, which I think we will. So I'm going to get ready to sell off just one of my cons, just in case. Okay, we know we didn't close below. Hopefully that was a little retracement that we need. Tap into this fair value gap one more time to push us higher. So let's just see what we got going on. I'll check back in with you guys when something else happens. Whew! Guys, look at that wick. Holy. We'll leave the tape run and see if we get stopped here. All right. Secure just a little bit of profit there. Not a lot. We didn't quite get the TP that we wanted, but we came up. You guys saw first, originally I wanted to short off here. We never got the retracement. We came down, swept out these 15-minute lows from pre-market. 1 minute break, 1 minute fair value gap, tap into that. I go long. Break even was the start of this fair value gap. So once we got up here, stops to break even. And then TP was these highs right here. And then this high up here was going to be final TP, which was off the news candle from pre-market. We come up, tap this. We respect this fair value gap, and we push down, like almost hit my break-even stop. And then we come all the way back up. At this point, I'm thinking, oh, there's no way we don't hit TP. But then, of course, we come down and we get stopped at break even. If this thing chugs to TP now, that would just be brutal. But secured the tiniest bit of profit today, so that's a dub in my book. Didn't lose anything. So awesome week this week. We will take some time off this weekend and then tap back in starting on Monday. So everyone have a great weekend. Appreciate everyone who watches these. And yeah, later.